of AB is the main proportion. Comparison of ratios. This is the topic ratio, mean and ratio, proportional variations. Ratio, proportional variations. We are going through the formulas. Comparison of ratios. Comparison of ratios. We can write in this fraction format also. And this compounded means many ratios are there, how to make the product, something like that. Duplicate ratios, duplicate, subduplicate, triplicate. Maximum we will not go with problems in this topics. If at all, in your placement it is required, you should have some knowledge. And exam point of view, we will go with the product of means, product of extremes, something like that. Now I am going directly to the problems. I am going directly to the problems in ratio and proportion. Directly to the problems in ratio and proportion. So A and B have two. A and B together have rupees 1210. A and B together have rupees 1210. If 4 by 5 of A's amount equal to 2 by 3 of B amount. 4 by 5 4 by 5 of A, 4 by 15 of A amount equal to 2 by 5 of B's amount. Okay. Then how much B will have? How much amount will B have? Now we will try to write each sentence in terms of equations. Each sentence I will try to write in terms of equations. A and B together they are having an amount of rupees 1210. A and B together they are having an amount of rupees 1210. And it is given 4 by 15th of amount with A equal to 2 by 5 of amount of B. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If you do some cancellation in equation 2, it is 5 1s are 5 3s are and 2 1s are 2 2s are, and we will have 2 by 3 A is nothing but B. Wherever B is there, we can use 2 by 3 A. This is equation 2A. Use equation 2A in 1. Use equation 2A in 1. So what will happen? Equation 1 will become A plus B can be replaced as 2 by 3A, which is equal to 1210 rupees. And if you make LCM, this will become 3 and 3A plus 2A. LCM is 3, which is 1210. So 5A equal to 1210 into 3, cancellation with 5. If you cancel it with 5, it will become 5 2s are, 5 4s are and 5 2s are. A is having an amount of 6, 12 1, 726. So B will have an amount of 1210 minus 726. 1210 minus 726. What is the rest of the amount? 400, 410,
484.
484. 484. Okay. B is having an amount of 484. Answer is option B. Now coming to the next problem. Whatever given we have to write in terms of equation, so we will come up with some answer. A sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C, D in the proportion 5 is to 2 is to 4 is to 3. Okay. So a total amount is divided between A, B, C and D in the ratio of 5 is to 2 is to 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Okay, 4 people are there. If C gets 1000 more than D, C amount, okay, C amount is nothing but D amount plus 1000 rupees. Okay, C is getting 1000 more than D. Now, what is the share of B? What is the share of B? Okay, so what I will do in the first sentence, let X be the quantity which is the basic. X be the basic quantity for making the ratio. Basic quantity for making the ratio. Okay. Now what is happening? A, B, C, D. They are having, so 5x, 2x and then 4x and then 3x. This is the ratio they are having. Okay. Now what we will do? We will take this as equation 1. Using this in equation 1. So if you put this in equation 1, what will happen? If you put this in equation 1, what will happen? C is nothing but 4x. C is nothing but 4x. It is equal to D is 3x plus 1000 rupees. Now find what is that x value. Find what is that x value. So x value 4x minus 3x equal to 1000. Okay. Now what is the share of B? What is the share of B? So B is having how much proportion in this line? What we have written? B is having how much proportion? 2x. So 2x is nothing but 2 into 1000. 2x is nothing but 2 into 1000, 2000. So we have to get this basic idea, get a basic quantity, okay, basic quantity based on which the ratios are made. So using that logic, we can get the answer. B is having an amount of 2000 rupees. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. If A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 5 is to 7, what is A is to B is to C? Okay, first we will try to write A is to B value is 2 is to 3, and again they have given B is to C is nothing but 5 is to 7. Okay, what we are supposed to do? A is to B is to C, what is the ratio? Okay, so now this is B. This is B. Here it is 3. In the first ratio, B value 3. In the second ratio, B value is 5. Okay. So convert these two numbers to a single value. Convert these two numbers to a single value. So what I will do, in the first ratio, I will multiply all the numbers with 5. If I multiply all the numbers with 5, it will be 10 is to 15. 2 is to 3 can be written as 10 is to 15. In the second ratio, I will multiply everything with 3. Everything I will multiply all the numbers with 3. 5 into 3 is 15 and 7 into 3 is 21. Okay. So now what I can write using both of these equations, what I can write using both of these equations. So A is to B is to C is nothing but 10 is to 15 is to 21. 10 is to 15 is to 21. If further simplification possible, you cancel it. Okay, all the three numbers, if some cancellation is possible, you cancel it and get the lower value. If no simplification is possible, the same will be given as the answer. 10 is to 15 is to 21. If all the three numbers we are able to cancel with a single, okay, with the same number, then we have to go for the lower factor, okay, lower representation of the ratio. Now I am going to the next problem. If A is to B is to C equal to 3 is to 4 is to 7. A is to B is to C equal to 3 is to 4 is to 7. What is the ratio of A by B, B by C and C by A? Okay. So what is the ratio of this? Again I will take X be the basic quantity. X be the basic quantity. Okay. Now, in the given details, A is to B is to C, the ratio is with respect to a basic parameter. Okay, so X is the basic parameter, 3x, 4x, 7x is the fraction, is the ratio in which A is to B is to C are present. Now, what is the ratio of, they are asking, A by B is to B by C is to C by A. Okay, what is the ratio? Now, A means 3x, B means 4x, and the next thing is Bx is 4x and then 7x, and the third one is 7x divided by 3x. Okay, this is the ratio we are able to write. Now what we will do, make a common denominator. Make a common denominator 4, 7, 3. Okay, all the numbers should be factors. Whatever denominator you are going to take, a common, okay, denominator you have to frame. So 21 into 4 is 84. 48 will not be divided with the 7. 48 cannot be divided with 7. So we have to go with 84 only. So if you take 84, so here what we can do, 4x. How this 4x will become 84x? how the 4x will become 84x? You have to multiply with 21. Numerator and denominator multiply with 21. How 7x will become 84? You have to multiply with 12. Okay, numerator and denominator with 12. This you have to multiply with 28. Numerator and denominator with 28. Okay, 4 sevens are 28. So like that, you make numerators for all the you get the numerators for all the three fractions. So here denominator is 84x. I am making a common LCM denominator 84x, and here it will be 63x first number, second number will be 48x, and third number will be 28 into 7, 56, 519, 196x. Okay. Now what is the denominator is same. Denominator is same, so just you can neglect the denominator. What you can do, a by b is to b by c is to c by a is nothing but 63 by 84. Okay, x cancel, 48 by 84, and then 196 by 84. Because 84 is common in the denominators, you can make a common cancellation, and then you can take it as 63 is to 48 is to 196. 63, 48, 196. Okay, this is the answer for this question. This is the answer for this question. Just 1 minute.